Doubt is the invisible enemy that silently robs a man or woman of opportunity. It stands at the gateway of your potential and whispers, "You can't." It is the assassin of desire, the destroyer of initiative, the saboteur of plans. But understand this, no one is born with doubt. It is learned, accepted, and reinforced by habit. And what is learned can be unlearned. The first step toward eliminating self-doubt is to recognize it for what it truly is: a state of mind. All states of mind are subject to control when one learns the simple truth that thoughts are causes and conditions are effects. If your mind is filled with hesitation, indecision, or fear, the results will reflect those very qualities. Replace these with faith, definiteness of purpose, and persistence, and your results will change accordingly. Here's how to stop doubting yourself in 7 powerful steps. Step 1. Build definiteness of purpose. A mind without a definite aim is like a ship without a rudder. It drifts subject to every current of opinion and criticism. Decide exactly what you want from life. Write it down, read it daily. This act fixes your mind upon a target, and where the mind goes, energy follows. Doubt thrives in uncertainty. Certainty drives it out. Step 2. Apply the mastermind principle. No person ever rises to great heights without the friendly cooperation of others. Surround yourself with men and women who believe in your vision, who lift your spirit rather than poison it with cynicism. Their faith in you will reinforce your own until self-belief becomes your natural state. Step 3. Replace fear with action. Doubt and fear are twin brothers. Both vanish when confronted with decisive action. Every time you act boldly in spite of uncertainty, you weaken doubt's hold over you. Begin with small acts of courage and graduate to larger ones. Soon, what once seemed impossible will appear inevitable. Step 4. Control your inner conversation. Your subconscious mind accepts every thought you allow to dominate your consciousness. Feed it with words of power. I am capable. I am persistent. I am worthy of success. Speak these aloud with emotion. Do this daily, and your mind will begin to believe, for it cannot long distinguish between truth and a statement you have repeated with faith. Step 5. Transmute defeat into learning. Temporary defeat is not failure. It is the seed of an equal or greater benefit if you search for it. Self-doubt often springs from past mistakes, but the successful individual treats each setback as a lesson in disguise. Extract the wisdom, discard the discouragement, and advance. Step 6. Develop a scriptural habit. The Bible says, "As a man thinketh in his heart, so is he." Your habitual thoughts determine your destiny. Make it a daily practice to fill your mind with scriptures that affirm your worth, your ability, and God's faithfulness to His promises. For example, "I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me." Philippians 4:13. Let these words, which are full of power, reprogram your subconscious mind. Step 7. Enlist the power of prayer. Prayer is not merely asking, it is a conversation with the divine. When you pray, approach God not as a supplicant, but as a co-heir with Christ. Claim the promises made to you. Thank God in advance for the victory over doubt that He has already given you. In prayer, you align yourself with the infinite possibilities of the universe. You tap into a source of strength that is far greater than any obstacle you could face. As you develop this practice, doubt will lose its hold over you because your focus shifts to the unwavering support of the divine. Overcoming self-doubt is a journey, not a destination. Each step you take brings you closer to your true self, a self that is confident, capable, and unshakable. Remember, doubt is a state of mind, and states of mind are alterable. By applying these principles from the teachings of Napoleon Hill, you can transform your inner dialogue, strengthen your resolve, and move forward with certainty towards your goals. Embrace the power within you and let nothing stand in the way of your progress. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Subscribe to our channel for more inspirational content.